Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 11th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday out there so far. I hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. If you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, smash that subscribe button and you get my daily forecast content daily, and also like these videos and share these videos. Alright, in today's video we're going to talk about the watches, warning, advisories. Also we're going to take a look at the weather radar, the storm prediction center outlooks for day 2, 3, and 4, and also the fire weather outlook for day 1 and day 2 across the nation. Alright, let's go ahead and get rolling with it. We got a pretty quiet condition across most of the eastern United States. There's some special weather statements and maybe some fire weather issues across portions of the northeastern United States with special weather statements there. Also some red flag warnings also in effect for New Hampshire, Connecticut, New York vicinities as well, and also portions of Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, and also South Dakota and northwest Iowa. We have some hydro issues extending from Michigan all the way back to Montana, and also Wyoming, and also Idaho, and portions of Oregon State. We have some flash flood watches in effect for Nevada. We have some avalanche warnings over portion of Utah. We have some freeze warnings in effect for California, and we have some little surf advisories, gale advisories along the Louisiana coast down there as well. And also we have some flooding advisories also for a portion of Minnesota and also Wisconsin as well, and a dense fog advisory also there as well. Alaska got some winter weather advisory for you guys, and around that island chain of Hawaii, just some gale warnings around your vicinity. Alright, let's take a look at the weather radar now. As you can see, it's pretty quiet. Got some showers over southern Canada and over here around the Great Lakes. Also, we have some shower activity also down here around off the southeast coast across Florida down toward the Florida Keys. There's that little system trying to develop down in the Gulf of Mexico. Like I said, right now it don't look like no tropical system, but a low pressure system. Looks like it's trying to form tonight. I will have more on the severe weather potential for today in the day's video, that is. And also we have some more Pacific Northwest snow and rain showers over Washington State, Oregon, also Idaho, and portion of Montana and southern Canada as well. We have some snow flying over here in portions of Alaska and the Hawaiian Islands. Look pretty good with a few little showers on. I got my computer a little slow. We do have a general thunderstorm over the west coast from Nevada back into portion of North Dakota, South Dakota, and western Minnesota, back down into portion of New Mexico. Also from Texas to Florida. We have a marginal risk for some severe weather possible down there. Let's see the synopsis read. Let's see Gulf Coast. Just a little low pressure system. That little low pressure system may produce some severe weather. If anybody in the marginal risk, this includes Mobile, Alabama, Gulfport, Mississippi, Pensacola, Florida, Biloxi, Mississippi, and Panama City, Florida. The tornado probability is 2%. And anybody in Mobile, Alabama, Gulfport, Mississippi, Pensacola, Florida, Biloxi, Mississippi, and Panama City, Florida is in the tornado risk for today. 5% wind. Still Mobile, Alabama to Panama City, Florida. And the hail probability is less than 5%. Alright, let's take a look at day 3 outlook. Then we're going to take a look at day 4 here in a minute. We got general thunderstorms over Nebraska back into Minnesota and South Dakota as well. We got general thunderstorm from Louisiana all the way back over to South Carolina down into Florida. Marginal risk in effect for a portion of southeast Alabama, southwest Georgia, and northern Florida. The marginal risk include Montgomery, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Tallahassee, Florida, Macon, Georgia, and Albany, Georgia. And the probability is 5% in those areas. Alright, let's take a look at day 4. We do have a slight risk of severe weather. This includes the areas of Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. If you're in the 15% area, this is a slight risk. This could be upgraded to a moderate risk, but right now we're going with just a slight risk for severe weather coming up on day number 4. Alright, let's take a look at the fire weather problems today. As you can see, we have an elevated in the orange, we have a critical in the red, and also up here in the northeastern United States, we got an elevated risk up there, but if any critical, there's no major population center in the risk area right there in that vicinity. Okay, let's take a look at the fire weather for day number 2. We have an elevated risk still over here from northeast Mexico all the way through portions of southeast Colorado and also northwest Kansas, also into Nebraska, and also into northwest Iowa, and just the tip of southern South Dakota. This is the only elevated risk for fire weather in that vicinity. Okay, well, that concludes today's video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Consider subscribing to my channel. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and we will catch you back in the next one. And remember, enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got, and we will catch you back in the next one.